The Acer Liquid Jade S is Acer's new mid-range smartphone. It's positioned as a promising product of the value proposition type, which offers pleasant design, snappy hardware, a sizable 5-inch display, a 13MP camera, dual SIM and LTE connectivity, and many practical software features. All that at about half the price of current high-end Android smartphones. You won't be wrong to ask, excellent, but what are the caveats? So go on with our review. We will explain. The package includes USB cable, charger, earbuds, smartphone, warranty, safety instructions. Design: sleek and pleasant in a calming, mildly understated manner. This is how we describe the Liquid Jade S design, and those are words you'll rarely hear for a budget device. It's not the build materials that make this smartphone special, though. It's the curves. The Jade S has an intensely rounded body comprising 2 layers. It starts with a non-removable plastic back panel of decent quality, sturdy, carefully sculpted, with a smooth, matte finish. The pleasant surprises don't end here. Acer topped off the smartphone with curved glass, which completes its liquid, flowing appearance. The layers are held together by a thin chrome frame. Speaking of thin, the Acer Liquid Jade S is 0.3 inches, 7.78 mm, thick, and its light as a feather at 4.09 ounces, 116 grams. The thickness may not sound very impressive on paper, but the phone flaunts a hidden trump card. Its beveled edges make it feel thinner than it actually is. And with compact dimensions of 5.53 by 2.72 by 0.30 and 140.5 by 69 mm, to complement its build quality, the Liquid Jade S feels pretty well in the hand. On the top edge of the phone, you'll find a 3.5 mm audio jack, while the volume buttons are positioned to the right. They are not of good quality. It's a small plastic stripe that never feels quite right under your fingers. It lacks the clickiness to make it feel responsive enough, and the volume key tends to get stuck at times, which is a major flaw. The bus key has been made slightly convex as to let your finger recognize it more easily. Acer also had the good intention of making the central area of the volume keys double as a 2-step camera shutter. Unfortunately, the stripe's mid-zone, where your index finger is supposed to land while taking a photo, is small and non-reliable. It's too easy to press the volume plus or volume buttons by mistake, rather than the shutter key, potentially ending up with a failed photo. On the bottom, there's the inevitable micro support. The left side houses a dual SIM slot, which carries either up to 2 nano SIM cards, or 1 microSD card and a single nano SIM card. It's one or the other. You can have 2 SIM cards and an external microSD card in place simultaneously. Above the display, you'll find Acer's typical earpiece, which oddly looks like a miniature shower drain, along with a pair of light and proximity sensors, and the front camera. On the back panel, there are the aforementioned camera with a single LED flash, and a mono loudspeaker.